Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine with fruit using an easy method. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh fruit, granulated sugar, wine yeast, and clean water. Next, ensure all your equipment, like fermenters and stirring spoons, is thoroughly sanitized. This crucial step prevents unwanted bacteria from spoiling your wine. Finally, prepare your chosen fruit by washing it well and then crushing it to release its juices and flavors. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious homemade wine. Now let's get the fermentation started. Transfer your prepared fruit pulp into a primary fermenter, then add the sugar and water. Stir this mixture well until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, sprinkle in your specialized wine yeast and a yeast nutrient, which helps the yeast thrive. Gently stir again to incorporate everything. Finally, secure the lid on your fermenter and attach an airlock. This allows carbon dioxide to escape while keeping unwanted air and contaminants out, ensuring a clean fermentation process. The fermentation process happens in two key stages. First, allow the primary fermentation to proceed for about 5 to 7 days. During this time, the yeast actively converts sugars into alcohol, creating a vigorous bubbling. After this initial period, carefully strain out all the fruit pulp, leaving only the liquid. Then, transfer this liquid into a clean carboy for secondary fermentation. This stage, lasting several weeks to a few months, allows the wine to clarify and develop its complex flavors, becoming smoother and more refined. Finally, it's time to bottle your homemade fruit wine. Once the wine is perfectly clear and fermentation has completely stopped, carefully siphon it from the carboy into sanitized bottles. Be sure to leave about 1 inch of headspace in each bottle. Next, securely cork or cap your bottles to prevent any air from entering. While tempting, resist drinking it immediately. For the best flavor development, age your wine for at least 6 months or even longer in a cool, dark place. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.